After a day's work, it's normal for your mind to keep thinking, what else can I do to get ahead? We often believe that the only way to achieve it is with more effort, more hours, or waiting for a big company to open its doors to us. But the truth is that growth doesn't always mean sacrificing more. It means finding smarter ways to use what we have within reach. In the end, it all comes down to a simple principle. Money isn't an end in itself, it's the means to have freedom. And that freedom, well managed, translates into happiness. More time for your loved ones, fewer worries, and the security that what you build today will bear fruit tomorrow. The most interesting part is that the opportunities to take that step don't always require reinventing the wheel. Often, they're right in front of us, in everyday things. With the right equipment, the common can be transformed into value, and the simple into a constant source of income. That's the difference between settling for the same old thing and starting to build something of your own that, step by step, brings you closer to the life you want. Welcome to Imported Machines, the space where we transform ideas into real opportunities. Here, you won't just learn about the most profitable imported machines, but also the tools that can become a bridge to that freedom we all seek. More income, more independence, and more peace of mind. On this journey, you will discover options that don't require huge factories or unattainable investments. They are practical solutions, ready to transform common materials into solid businesses, with the potential to grow and open up new possibilities for you. Because a business can start small, yes, but it's meant to go much further. Number 1. Nail-making machine. To begin this journey, let's talk about something as simple as it is indispensable. Nails. They are everywhere, on roofs, in furniture, doors, and constructions. But almost no one stops to think about how they are made. The truth is, there are machines capable of transforming simple steel rods into nails ready for the market, with a process that cuts the material, forms the point, and shapes the head in a matter of seconds. This type of equipment is designed for entrepreneurs looking to enter a sector with stable demand, or for growing businesses that want to diversify their production lines. It's not a luxury, but a real opportunity to produce something that is always needed and consumed on a large scale in any city. Although it's not equipment to install in a living room, it can operate perfectly in a small workshop or a conditioned storage room. Like all industrial machinery, it generates noise and heat, but it makes up for it with its durability and the reliability of delivering a constant flow of production. With a dedicated space, it becomes a long-term ally. Its true value appears when you seek to move from artisanal to productive. It's the kind of investment that marks the difference between buying nails to resell and manufacturing them directly, thus multiplying profit possibilities. And the best part is that the products obtained can be placed in local hardware stores, sold to carpentry workshops, or even to construction companies. Markets that always need restocking and ensure constant sales movement. In practice, it doesn't require complex technical knowledge. Just feed the machine with the steel rods and let the system do the rest. The result is uniform nails, ready to be packaged and distributed without complications. And in terms of investment, it's in an accessible range compared to other industrial machinery, with models capable of working all day to serve multiple clients simultaneously. Number 2. Copper granulator. After talking about nails, an indispensable product in construction, let's move on to a different but equally fascinating field: recycling. We often think that big business is only in new things, when in reality a large part of the value is in recovering what others consider waste. And this is where the copper granulator comes into play. This equipment is designed to give new life to disused electrical cables, separating the copper from the plastic coating and transforming what seemed like simple trash into a high-value material on the market. And the best part is that you don't need a large industrial plant. Today there are compact models, ideal for small workshops or family businesses, that process between 97 and 535 pounds of cable per hour with power ranging from 1.5 to 5.4 kilowatts. Its size, usually between 3.3 and 6.5 feet in each dimension and weighing 440 to 1,760 pounds, allows it to be installed in a small space, without the need for huge warehouses or complex infrastructure. There are even models that work with single-phase voltages of 110V or 220V, adapting to the most common electrical grid. The result is surprising. Thanks to a crushing and separation system using gravity and vibration, granulated copper with purity above 95% is obtained, along with plastic ready for reuse. From the same cable, two products with immediate market outlet are born. The copper can be sold to foundries or intermediaries, while the plastic finds application in recycling processes. The investment isn't unattainable either. On specialized platforms, these machines can be found from around $1,000 to $8,000, depending on the capacity and additional features, such as self-cleaning or dust collection systems. A figure that, compared to the value it provides, becomes more of a strategic step than an expense. Number 3. Laser cleaner. Now, let's jump to a technology that seems like it's from the future but is already within reach of many. Portable laser cleaning. The portable laser cleaner is a modern piece of equipment that uses a concentrated beam of light to remove rust, paint, grease, or impurities from metal surfaces. Unlike traditional methods, it doesn't need chemicals or abrasives, making it a cleaner, more precise, and sustainable solution. Designed for entrepreneurs looking to stand out in industrial maintenance services, part restoration, or specialized work, it opens the door to a market where competition is low but the demand for quality is high. Its great advantage is flexibility. Being portable, it can be taken directly to the workplace, reducing time and costs in the process. Its appeal lies in its precision. With it, it's possible to clean parts without damaging them and without generating polluting waste, something very few methods achieve. That translates into more demanding clients, willing to pay higher rates for the quality of service. Operation is practical. Just direct the head over the surface and adjust the intensity according to the material. In seconds, the rust or paint disappears, leaving the metal ready for a new process or for reuse. The most popular portable models weigh just 1.44 pounds, with a size similar to an A3 sheet. Their power is usually between 200 and 300 watts, with a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours and the ability to work with external batteries. Their price ranges between $2,500 and $7,500, depending on the power and additional features. Number 4. CNC Plasma Cutter. After talking about equipment that transforms basic materials into high-value products, let's now move on to a tool that combines precision, speed, and creativity: the portable CNC Plasma Cutter. The portable CNC Plasma Cutter is equipment designed to transform metal sheets into pieces with precise and clean cuts. Its great advantage is that it combines the power of plasma with the control of a digital system, allowing for consistent and repeatable results without relying so much on the operator's skill. By working with CNC technology, you just need to load the design into the system for the machine to execute the cut, making it easier to use even for those who aren't experts in metallurgy, as long as basic safety recommendations are followed. It is aimed at workshops, entrepreneurs, or businesses that want to offer a modern and competitive service in the world of metal fabrication. Being portable, it doesn't require huge installations or as high an investment as large-format industrial machines, but it maintains a professional level of quality. If we compare it to other more basic cutting methods, the difference is clear. While those can leave irregular edges or take much more time, Plasma CNC achieves fast, defined cuts ready to be used. This means less extra work and more productivity per project. It's ideal to integrate when you're looking to grow, diversify, or take a leap into work that requires more detail. Whether for simple pieces or custom designs, it opens the door to a wide variety of clients who value speed and precision. Its operation is simple. Load a digital design, place the metal sheet, and the equipment takes care of making the exact cut. In a few minutes, what was once a sheet becomes a finished piece, ready to assemble or sell. In terms of investment, it is much more accessible than other industrial solutions, but with enough performance to sustain continuous projects and generate stable income. Number 5. Machine for making fridge magnets. Now, your interest might not be in metal or heavy fabrication, but in something more creative and closer to the end consumer. Maybe you're drawn to design, personalized details, or products that go directly into people's homes. If so, you're not left behind. There is also equipment designed for that type of business. Refrigerator magnets are small but have great commercial potential. They are present in almost every household, as travel souvenirs, promotional items, or decorative details. The machine to create them allows you to transform printed sheets into eye-catching pieces, combining creativity and utility. It is designed for entrepreneurs looking to start an accessible business without extensive technical knowledge. Each magnet can be unique, photos, logos, or artistic designs, opening markets from tourist souvenirs to corporate gifts. The process is simple. Load the design into the machine, place the material, and in a few steps, you get a finished magnet ready to deliver. The speed and ease allow for free production and experimentation with different styles and formats. In terms of operation, these machines are compact and easy to use, with a size similar to a large sheet of paper and power consumption similar to a powerful lamp. The print quality is high, comparable to sharp photographs seen up close, and does not require advanced technical knowledge. Prices range from a few $100s to a few thousand, depending on size and additional features, making this machine an accessible investment with high creative potential. Before we continue, we want to invite you to support us if you find this content useful. Like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any business opportunity. Which machine has caught your attention the most so far? Leave us your opinion in the comments. Now, let's get back to discovering more tools that can transform simple materials into high-value products. Number 6. Chalk making machine. Now, it's not always necessary to create complex or technological products to start a profitable business. Sometimes, what seems simple hides great potential. Chalk, present in schools, workshops, and creative spaces, is a perfect example of how something everyday can be transformed into a constant source of income. This equipment allows you to convert a basic mixture into uniform pieces ready to sell. It doesn't require large facilities, and with a small space, you can start producing in an organized and constant manner. Furthermore, its versatility opens opportunities in various markets: education, recreation, temporary signage, and even art. With it, the everyday ceases to be ordinary and becomes a marketable product with high turnover. There are different types depending on the desired production. Manual or semi-automatic machines, ideal for small businesses, produce from hundreds to thousands of pieces per hour and cost between $600 and $1,200. For larger scale, automatic machines integrate mixing, pressing, drying, and cutting, exceed 2,000 pieces per hour, and their price ranges from $3,000 to over $10,000, depending on capacity and sophistication. Some special versions allow for making colored chalk using non-toxic pigments or use compressed air for precise shaping. All models are relatively easy to use, with simple or automated controls, making it easy for any entrepreneur to start without prior experience. In terms of investment, these machines offer an ideal balance between cost, simplicity, and ability to generate constant income, making them an accessible and low-risk option for those seeking a stable business with products that are always in demand. Number 7. CNC Sheet Metal Bending Machine. In the world of manufacturing, few tools offer as much versatility as a CNC-controlled sheet metal bending machine. With it, a simple metal sheet is transformed into structural parts, casings, supports, and countless products. The precision of digital control ensures that each bend follows the program design exactly, guaranteeing uniformity and reducing human error. This allows you to move from the computer design to the finished piece quickly and reliably. It is ideal for small workshops looking to produce custom accessories, as well as for companies that require consistent industrial components. The investment isn't the lowest, but the speed, precision, and ability to handle large orders make the return solid. It's not just a tool, it's an ally for taking a leap towards more ambitious projects. CNC benders work with steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, bending sheets from 5.2 to 19.7 feet with forces of 50 to 600 tons. Their computerized control makes it easy to program angles and bending sequences, while the main motors vary between 5.5 and 45 kilowatts. Depending on capacity and brand, prices range between $30,000 and over $150,000, with options available both locally and imported. Number 8. Carpet Edging Machine. On the other hand, when it comes to putting the finishing touch on a product, small details make the difference. The carpet edging machine transforms a simple edge into an elegant and professional finish, improving both the aesthetics and durability of the product. By allowing customization in colors, styles, and thicknesses, each carpet becomes a unique piece, adapted to different tastes and markets. The best part is that you don't need a large factory. Small workshops or home projects can use it to offer finished carpets with a superior standard. Its investment is accessible compared to other textile equipment, making this machine an ideal tool for entrepreneurs looking to add value without compromising the budget. In terms of operation, these machines use overlock systems with one or several needles and threads to ensure a firm and neat edge. The most common models allow adjustment of stitch length and presser foot height to adapt to different material thicknesses, with speeds ranging from a few hundred to several thousand stitches per minute. For more robust materials, there are versions with triple feed that facilitate sewing thick carpets, canvas, or leather, maintaining uniformity and resistance in each edge. Operation is simple and does not require advanced technical experience, allowing small workshops to produce professional results without complications. Number 9. Glass Bottle Cutter. After exploring tools that add value to everyday materials and transform ideas into products with constant demand, let's now move on to a piece of equipment that combines creativity, recycling, and precision: the glass bottle cutter. Its operation is simple in concept. It cuts the bottle precisely, opening the door to turning it into glasses, lamps, vases, or other decorative and practical items. What once ended up in the trash can now be reborn as a unique and valuable product on the market. Beyond the creative aspect, this tool connects directly with the trend of sustainable consumption. With a glass cutter, it's possible to meet that growing demand in a simple and profitable way. Furthermore, it's one of those machines that doesn't require an industrial space or great technical knowledge to start using, making it an ideal alternative for ventures with a low barrier to entry. For cuts in non-industrial environments like garages or small workshops, there are compact machines with an adjustable disc from above, which allow adaptation to the bottle's diameter for a precise and clean cut. These machines usually measure about 3.3 feet wide, 4.3 feet long, and 5.2 feet high, weighing approximately 1,322 pounds, although there are much smaller portable versions. There are also artisanal cutters, economical and manual, that work with an abrasive roller and support. The price of these tools can range from $20 to $100, depending on quality and features. Now that you know the key machines and everything you need to start your own business, remember that every stage of production can add real value to your products. Don't miss the opportunity to apply these ideas and multiply your income with accessible and practical solutions. Subscribe to Imported Machines, like this video, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next idea that could become your business. We love sharing these ideas with you and hope to see you again very soon.